Hello guys, it's Mead here, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to optimize your LinkedIn profile if you're a student, a recent graduate, or anything in those kind of categories and you're looking for work. Let's get straight into it. So here I am on my profile, and you can see it's fairly well filled out. Today I'm going to go through the most important things you can do for your LinkedIn profile if you're a student. Starting with number one, your featured section here. I'm going to skip straight to the middle of your LinkedIn profile. Although this may seem like an obscure place to start, it's actually the most important place because it lets you show off your work in a creative and engaging way. And it doesn't even have to be your work. It can be anything that makes you stand out, whether it's projects you've worked on, amazing essays you've written, whatever it might be. As a student, you can put this into your profile and let people engage with it and read for themselves about you. In my case, I've included links to training that I conduct through Praxis, which is educational pieces that I work with. I've included examples of my Facebook and Instagram advertising. So this highlights the fact that I have skills in digital marketing. I've included content about my wedding directory, which I built, which shows I have web development skills and business skills and sales skills. I've also included some popular content of mine on YouTube to make people aware that I do run educational content and that I do create YouTube videos. And then I've also included a video of a promotional video I did for a business during lockdown. So you might wonder why I've included such a diverse range of content. And the idea is you just want to show recruiters or anyone who's looking at your profile or employers that you've got diverse skills and that you can do it all. And if you can't do it all, you can learn how to do it. Moving up, the next most important thing you need to focus on is your headliner or your subheading. In my case, I've kept it super simple. And the idea here is you want to highlight what it is you do or what stage of life you're in. That's how I think about it. In my case, I describe myself as an educator and I do digital marketing, and I also am a creator because I create content online. So I classify myself into those kind of 2.5, 3 categories, and this helps me stand out because people instantly look at that and go, oh, creator, that means he creates content online. And digital marketer, so he's obviously creating stuff about digital marketing, and he's an educator. So that really helps people get a bigger understanding of what it is I do. The third most important thing you can do is have some interesting images up here in your header and in your profile image. My profile image is fairly boring. It's just a bog standard picture of me in a fairly business suit. This is just to make it seem like I'm professional. That's all it is. Your image needs to be high quality and somewhat professional related, just so people can trust you and understand that you're doing the right thing on LinkedIn. Now, your banner image is a tricky one because in digital marketing, there's not many exciting banner images you can get. So in my case, I've put a picture of me snowboarding. This is a very conscious decision because of the fact I wanted to stand out in a slightly interesting and engaging way. If I want someone to look at my profile, I want someone to understand, 1, I'm a digital marketer and creator, and 2, I want them to understand a bit about me, that I've got personality, I'm an outdoors person, I'm a go-getter, and that's why I chose this photo, because it kind of shows those things. So you need to choose a photo that is engaging and really gives people an insight into what is special about you. So be careful with the photos you choose, because they do actually represent you. Now, the third and final thing you want to focus on is writing an interesting about section, because this is going to engage your viewers, your employers. They're going to read this and they're going to understand more about you through this. So you want to make sure you highlight your top skills in this and what it is you want to achieve, because giving people that insight into what you want to achieve is a great way to make them feel connected to you and understand if you're going to be a good fit for their organization or for their job. So really including that here is an important place. So guys, those are my top 3 or 4 LinkedIn tips. Seriously, focus on the featured section. It is invaluable for highlighting your skills. Be diverse and showcase what it is that you do. It doesn't have to be all business related or whatever industry it can be. It can be personal projects and that sort of thing. It's all about showcasing your skills is what this is. Next is looking at your subheading. Make sure it's interesting and stands out from the crowd. You want to highlight what makes you special and what value you can bring to an employer. And thirdly is your images. Really think about them. Make sure your profile image is professional at the bare minimum, and then make sure you do have something in your header image that represents you and highlights you and what makes you special again. And last but not least, write a good about section. Don't be afraid of talking about yourself and being honest and open about what makes you special, because that's what employers are looking for. They want to know the real you, so showcase it the best way you can in your about section. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Keep well up there, guys. I'll catch you all next time. Ciao, ciao.